Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro JPY, Euro Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, and many more. So let's get started. This is the photo chart of Euro JPY in front of us right now, and you can see that I have got few lines here on the chart, Fibonacci retracement level. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of Euro JPY, and then we'll be switching over to the strategy part. Okay, so first of all, Euro JPY is right now trading at 130.7980. This is the present level of Euro JPY. So after this huge uptrend, there was a correction in the market. Okay, and if you have been watching my previous videos on Euro JPY, then you have heard me talking about the importance of 130.50 level, because I have been talking about this level for quite some time. Because when market was coming down, I told you that if market comes down to the support level of 130.50, that can be a good opportunity for a buy. And right now you can see that market is almost standing at the 130.50 level. Okay, apart from the weekly support of 130.50 level, you can see that market is also standing at the Fibonacci 50% retracement level, and we have seen that Fibonacci 50% retracement level is also quite a convincing factor to take to go for a buy order. Okay, so considering the weekly support at 130.50 plus the Fibonacci 50% retracement level, we can go for buy at this level. Okay, if we consider these two factors, but we have a complication here, and the complication is, you can see that the selling pressure was too high. Though market has reached the important support zone, but still you can see that market is not going up. If I zoom in, then you can clearly see that the buying pressure, the buying power is missing. Try to understand the market psychology here. Try to understand the market emotion here. Do you see that buyers are taking over the market? Buyers have joined the party and they are about to take the market up. No, still the buying power is missing. But market is not going down as well. So still, I think that we should wait for some time. Though market has reached the critical support zone, but still it is not the ideal place to buy, because one thing we should never forget, that support and resistance level are not permanent, they are temporary. Maybe 130.50 is an important level, but that does not mean that this level is a permanent level. Okay, so we still do not have the confirmation yet, and we can still see that market is still struggling to maintain, market is still struggling to hold the support zone. Therefore we should wait for some time until unless we see a good bounce from here. I think that we should wait. Or if you have already taken a buy position, then you do not need to exit, be on the trade, just keep your stop loss below 130.50 level. Okay, and if I take you to the weekly chart, let me remove the drawings here. Okay, so you can see that in the weekly chart also there has been constant selling pressure from upside. Okay, so in a scenario like this, trusting a level is quite risky here. Okay, so I'll request you, okay, wait for some time. I think that we will get the good trade. I think that market will be bouncing. Okay, till then let's wait. After all, this is market, and market is full of surprises. And my dear friends, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. Okay, so use proper risk management on this. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.